Hi, I'm Martin, and I'm a working student at GK Software SE and Secondment within the first project of the Horizon 2020 program of the European Union. In the secondment, we had the possibility to visit Bournemouth University in England. Among others, we visited Bletchley Park, the place where the Enigma and Lorentz cipher machines had been broken during World War II. Especially fascinating was the story of William Thomas Tutt, who broke the Lorentz cipher machine without having access to such a machine. He figured out how it worked and how to break it, just having some intercepted messages from the Germans. Also, Alan Turing worked there at the decryption of the Enigma. Turing invented basic concepts on computer design and artificial intelligence, for example the Turing machine and the Turing test. Additionally, we visited the National Radio Centre at Bletchley Park. All in all, it was a great opportunity to visit the UK in the course of the FIRST project. See you at H2020 FIRST.eu.